Ever wondered which tech gadgets could truly blow your mind? Imagine devices that redefine convenience, power, and innovation. What if you could experience ultra-fast charging, immersive AR, and intelligent gadgets that transform everyday tasks? In this video, we're diving into 17 mind-blowing tech gizmos that promise to revolutionize your life. Ready to see the future of technology? Let's explore these game-changing gadgets and find out how they can make your tech dreams a reality. Buckle up for an exciting journey into the world of cutting-edge tech. Let's get started. Number 17. Hornell Mini. Meet the Hornell Mini Capsule Power Bank, a game-changer for modern tech users. This sleek, lipstick-sized device weighs just 99 grams and fits easily into any pocket or bag. With its intelligent PD20W super-fast charging and Type-C interface, it ensures your devices power up quickly and efficiently. Its dual fast charging capability lets you juice up 2 phones simultaneously. Whether you're on the go or at work, the Hornell Mini keeps you charged and ready for anything. Number 16. Jolter. Introducing the Jolter Power Bank, a powerhouse designed to keep all your devices charged. Its wireless charging feature supports phones, headphones, and watches with ease. Equipped with PD20W fast charging, it ensures rapid power replenishment wherever you are. The Jolter stands out with its ability to handle multiple devices simultaneously, delivering a hassle-free charging experience. Say goodbye to tangled cables and dead batteries. Jolter keeps your gadgets powered up so you stay connected and productive. Number 15. Inmo Air 2. Step into the future with the Inmo Air 2, cutting-edge wireless AR glasses that offer an unparalleled immersive experience. These sleek, portable glasses free you from cables and transport you into a new realm of augmented reality. With built-in access to YouTube and TikTok, enjoy a cinematic adventure like never before. The Inmo Air 2 elevates your entertainment with stunning visuals and endless content, redefining how you interact with digital media and enhancing your everyday experiences. Number 14. Usmile F1. Transform your oral care with the Usmile Future One electric toothbrush. Featuring AI-powered technology, it customizes your brushing experience by analyzing pressure, speed, and angle in real time. With 6 multifunctional chips, it ensures a thorough clean tailored to your needs. The Usmile Future One combines advanced performance with user-friendly design, helping you achieve a brighter, healthier smile effortlessly. It's the future of dental care in the palm of your hand. Number 13. 8-Bit Do. Meet the 8-Bit Do charging dock, your ultimate solution for Xbox controllers. Compatible with Xbox Series X Vertical Bar S and Xbox One, it ensures a seamless official connection. The magnetic secure charging feature makes docking simple, while adjustable LED indicators keep you informed. Equipped with a rechargeable battery pack and dual battery doors, it provides everything needed for hassle-free, efficient charging, so you're always ready for your next gaming session. Number 12. Asespresso Displays. Elevate your productivity with Asespresso displays, featuring the world's thinnest portable touchscreen monitor. Enhance your workflow with high-resolution displays and touch functionality for seamless multitasking. Create customized workspaces and snap application windows into place for efficiency. Save personalized settings and enjoy a fluid work experience, perfect for professionals seeking an optimized, interactive display solution. Number 11. Octopath. Travel the world with Octopath, the ultimate travel charger that covers over 200 countries. Its versatile design eliminates the need for multiple adapters. Strong suction cups keep your devices secure during charging, preventing falls or interruptions. Compact and efficient, Octopath ensures reliable power, no matter where your adventures take you, simplifying your travel experience. Number 10. F8 Speaker. Discover the F8 Bone Conduction Wireless Speaker, a marvel of audio technology. Small yet powerful, it delivers high-quality sound with vibrant RGB lighting effects. Transform any surface into a speaker with its bone conduction technology, converting vibrations into sound. Compact and versatile, the F8 speaker is perfect for music lovers seeking innovative audio experiences. Number 9. iCruiser's SSD. The iCruiser's SSD offers ultra-fast storage in a sleek, portable package. With speeds up to 1,150 MB per s and a USB 3.2 Gen 2 interface, it's twice as fast as SATA SSDs. The durable, water-resistant design and aluminum casing ensure stability and performance. Ideal for work, gaming, and everyday use, it combines style with robust functionality. Number 8. Partier. Elevate any event with the Partier modular speaker system. Delivering exceptional sound quality and synchronized lights, it's perfect for any occasion. Easily switch light configurations with plug-and-play USB add-ons, eliminating the need for complex setups. Transform your gatherings with this versatile system, designed to enhance your home entertainment with minimal hassle. Number 7. Ecobee Smart Doorbell. Enhance your home security with the Ecobee Smart Doorbell camera. Featuring a 175 degrees vertical field of view and 1080p HD video, it provides comprehensive coverage. Built to withstand extreme weather, it integrates with the Ecobee Smart Thermostat Premium. Enjoy smart alerts with advanced radar sensing, offering precise notifications and reliable security. Number 6. HTC Vive. Experience unparalleled VR tracking with the HTC Vive Wrist Tracker. 50% lighter and 85% smaller than the Vive Focus 3 controller, it offers comfort and precision. Wear it on your wrist or attach it to objects for seamless tracking. With up to 4 hours of use and intuitive one-button pairing, it enhances your VR experience with accurate movement tracking. Number 5. Yardroid. Transform your gardening routine with the Yardroid Intelligent Landscaping Robot. This smart device mows, waters, and weeds your garden with advanced AI. It plans efficient routes, waters plants with precision, and even chases away pests. With real-time updates and remote control, Yardroid makes garden maintenance effortless and efficient. Number 4. Iomo T3. The Iomo T3 smartwatch blends advanced technology with elegant design. Track your fitness metrics, heart rate, and sleep patterns with precision. Its stylish, durable build and customizable watch faces adapt to your lifestyle. Whether at the gym or in a meeting, the Iomo T3 keeps you connected and on top of your health goals with ease. Number 3. Flight. Revolutionize your workspace with Flight, a smart display with integrated AI. Offering high-resolution visuals and real-time assistance, it enhances productivity for creative tasks. With automated content suggestions and intelligent scheduling, Flight streamlines your workflow. Its ergonomic design and sleek appearance add sophistication while improving efficiency in your creative endeavors. Number 2. Fido T3. Meet the Fido T3 fitness tracker, designed for comprehensive health monitoring. Track daily activities, heart rate, and sleep patterns with advanced sensors. It syncs with your smartphone for real-time notifications and data. Durable and customizable, the Fido T3 withstands workouts and adapts to your needs, making it an essential companion for achieving your fitness goals. Number 1. Beats. Experience superior audio with the Beats smart speaker system. Designed for audiophiles and casual listeners, it delivers exceptional sound quality and integrates a smart assistant for voice control. Support for multi-room audio and easy access to streaming services enhances your home entertainment. With its sleek design and advanced features, Beats transforms your audio experience into a premium one. These 17 tech gizmos are revolutionizing our daily lives with cutting-edge innovation and sleek designs. From powerful portable chargers to advanced smart devices, they cater to various needs and preferences. Embrace these technologies to elevate your lifestyle and stay ahead in the digital world. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed discovering these incredible tech gadgets, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insightful updates. Share your favorite gizmo in the comments below, and let's keep exploring the future together. See you in the next video. Goodbye.